Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your BLACKVIEW Tab 8, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, find System, click on the languages and input, select virtual keyboard and move to the Gboard. Right now click on the theme, and as you can see here we got a couple of the themes. I will go for a simple pink color, so click, tap apply, and right now we can use messages and I will show you how it looks. So as you can see, when we start the chat and the keyboard is going to be open, that's how our keyboard theme looks right now. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.